It's the first day of 2020. Well, it's the second day, but it's the first day that the market has been officially open. And this morning, we're trading futures again. I know. It's like, what? Is this guy only going to trade futures from here on out? Don't worry, the equities are coming. But right now, just getting futures dialed in. And I want to talk about what went down today. Some big moves in the market. The SPY up, down, all around. It's been crazy. Let's talk about it. Let's see what's going on. Also, do me one big favor. If you do enjoy these videos, it's very simple and very easy for you just to hit that like button. Just hit it, and you'll feel better about yourself. Every time you hit the like button, an angel gets its wings. So let's go. What's going on, guys? So it's the first day of 2020 of trading, at least. It's January 2nd. And this morning I had a great idea that I was going to rearrange my desktop, set it up a little bit differently for easier viewing pleasure for you guys to see what was going on. And I ended up not actually enabling the microphone. So I recorded all these trades this morning, but I did not have any audio over those trades. Talk about a fail. But I did end the day green. So I'm going to talk about these trades real quick. I'll show you some of the recordings as well. That way you guys can kind of see what was going on there. So this morning we had a move up to the 250 area on the S&P, and we had a little bit of a pullback. I thought we might buy the dip here to continue this trend higher. We ended up selling off, and I ended up jumping in there for a dip buy, but I ended up covering or getting out for a small loss. So I started out with a small loss there, and then I ended up buying the dip, selling the rip here. And then I ended up shorting here at the 249 area and covering there at 246.25. So that was a beautiful short there on that move. And then here, again, I thought, okay, we're pushing back above the EMA. We're kind of holding the trend. I ended up buying the dip here on these two candles and then selling the rip as we push it back above the EMA. Was looking for a little bit more, but just not being able to get over that 251 area was pretty telling. Like, okay, we're not getting above that 251. It's probably going to go lower. So at that point, I kind of was not paying attention, and I missed out on this move right here as we pushed back above the EMA, and then we broke down again. This was a beautiful short opportunity. We got stuck there again under the EMA there at the 246 area and went all the way down here to 238. So nice, long, big move there. Beautiful move. And basically just sat there with FOMO the whole entire time and didn't want to jump in until we had some type of kind of bounce back to the EMA and get stuck there. So ended up getting short here again at the 240 area as we were stuck underneath the EMA there and covering basically for a small profit there at almost one handle profit. But you can see we're kind of, this bottom of these candles were kind of consolidating. It was looking like we might want to pop back above there. So I ended up just getting out for just a small little profit there. And then we kind of got stuck in some consolidation and just kind of going sideways. And I probably should have just not even traded it, but I was trying to look for some type of opportunity, and was as we were kind of making that big move to the downside, buying the dip here, bought a dip there at 239.25, 238.75, and selling up here at 239.50, 239.25 for basically break even on one contract and profit on the other. And then again, shorting here at the 238.75, covering there at 238.25 as we kind of were looking for a breakdown, was looking for this to sell off. We got the push, and as we got that push, I was like, okay, I'm getting out of there. And again, just kind of trying to play into that same idea here, looking for a roll off after that big move to the downside. Today, the big move to the upside was looking for continued downside move. There's a big gap in the SPY chart right now, so that's why I think we're kind of heading lower as the SPY and everything is kind of correlating right there. And as you can see, I think you can see here, 253.75 today. After commissions and fees, will be right around $200. So a $200 day to start the 2020. I don't know if it's a coincidence or not. 2020, $200. What do you guys think? So this morning, there was definitely some opportunity. Most of the opportunity that I took, I ended up getting out for kind of a safe move, especially here. You can see it, it went a little bit lower after that, but really missing out on this big move here would have been the opportunity. Or maybe just, I guess, in hindsight, it's always easy to go maybe, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But still, we're green this morning in the futures account. This is real money, real trading, and it's happening right here on the #1 day trading channel. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more action coming right your way, right to your home screen there on your own little YouTube. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell notification tab, leave a comment, do all that stuff, and help me help you. I will talk to you guys later on.